Hi everyone, this is Jay, and this is part 2 of my videos on the iPad. This video will teach you how to update the firmware into a custom firmware that feels snappier and loads things a lot faster than the official firmware. I'm not going to be focusing much on apps this time, because I want to teach you how to update the firmware first, because that really adds on to the iPad's experience. Please look under the video's information. It tells you the requirements that you need, and also the links where you'll have to download the 2 files that you'll need for this update. Alright, let's get started here. Alright, so once you have those files, put them on your desktop, or do what I did. I put them in a separate folder. I titled it aPad. This is the item from download 1, and here's the item from download 2. And just to make sure, item 1 is called aPad Flasher. Item 2 is an image file, and it's called update.img. Alright, now we're gonna set this up. Next thing you want to do is use the USB cable, plug it into the computer, and make sure the other end's not plugged into anything yet, the mini USB end. Alright, make sure you shut down your iPad. Alright, shut it down and flip the switch over here to off, and then back to on. Then we're gonna hold the button up here, the menu button. Hold it. Take the mini USB and plug it into the bottom mini USB port, and on your computer you should see something pop up. See, it says there, found new device. Then you'll see the screen, found new hardware. What you want to do is click install from a list or a specific location. Click next, and then include this location in the search. Search for the folder where you saved your iPad files. Right. Alright, mine was iPad. I'm gonna go to download number 1, which is aPad Flasher, the folder, and I'm gonna go to a subfolder called RK28 USB-new. Click OK, click next, and it'll look for the drivers in that folder, and it will install it automatically. Right now it's copying the files. This is a fairly old computer, but it's the only Windows XP in the house, so I have to use it. My Windows 7 is 64-bit, and as I said in the video info, it doesn't work with 64-bit. Alright, it's done. Click finish. Now what you want to do is go back to that folder where you saved your files. aPad Flasher, which is download number 1. Now what you want to do is go to this file called rkandroiddm.exe. Open that up. Oh, by the way, you can let go of the iPad's menu button now, and up here it says rkandroid loader. What you want to do now is click this button here and search for the update image. So I'm gonna go into iPad. Oh, and beware, because the aPad Flasher folder has its own update.image, and you don't want to use that. You want to use the second download. So make sure you separate those files. I'm gonna click this one, update.image, and I'm gonna click update right here. Click yes. Alright, it takes about 1 minute to install. Alright, successful upgrade. Click OK. Exit this Exit from application, yes. Close the program, and you can unplug the iPad now. Down here it'll detect it as an Android phone. This new wizard will pop up. You can just cancel that, you don't need that. And let's go check it out. After the update, it'll automatically boot up and show the Android logo for about 5 minutes, and this is normal. It'll then ask you to recalibrate, and that's what I'm doing right now. Once you're back on the main screen, you'll notice that everything is back in what seems to be default factory settings. So watch my first video again to set it the way I set it last time. That's pretty much it for this video. My next video will focus on internet browsers for this mobile internet device, and the next one after that will focus on media players and some apps. Sorry it took so long for this video to be uploaded, but it was my birthday and I was busy with that. So until next time, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and visit my blog or my website and become a member. See ya.